Good morning from Epcot. It's a beautiful October day. It's a Sunday. Look, there's too many people here today. Spaceship Earth behind me. One of our favorites. Gonna head here. We're just getting our magnets and maybe our coasters today. Our fourth visit. And then we're gonna head over to Animal and see what kind of trouble we can get into over there. Fun, fun, fun. Came, we saw, and we got all our swag. Awesome!
20 minutes later.
Alright, made it back to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah!
Ready to go ride on some rides?
Yes!
What do you want to ride?
I want to ride Everest.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if we're going to get a chance to get on Everest. We'll try. We'll see what we can do. Oh, Wilderness Explorers.
Learn about the animals. It's a fun souvenir to show off to all your friends. Or do you want to earn one? There you go.
Asia. We're gonna go do the new Up show. We haven't seen it yet. We're gonna take a seat for a couple minutes. Katie. Oh, there's Kevin. What?
Thanks, Crowley. Adventurers and explorers, hello. And namaste. So what do you say? Are you ready to meet some of my friends? Awesome, because I know they are just as eager to meet you. Wow. My name's Lucy, and I would be happy to help Russell with his bird badge.
That's swell, Lucy, but first things first. I gotta find that little...
This way, Clint! I picked up a trailhead of this way. He's not just any dog, he's a dog. We found him in South America, and he's trained. Shake him, Blade.
Very clever, that's good.
Speak, Blade.
Hi there. Hi, Doug. Oh, I should have warned everybody. The dog talks.
Well, that's a new one.
My name is Russell. Wilderness Explorer Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Hi there, my name is Doug.
Oh, well, he'll just talk like that all the time. He never stops. He'll just go, you wanted to stop, and then he won't.
Oh yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Miles, are you ready to go? Show off some more fancy flying? Okay, Russell, Doug, give us the countdown.
1, 2, 3.
It says here, some parrots are so smart they can mimic the sound of the world around them.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, do you want to meet one of those smart parrots right now?
Well, sure.
Awesome. Well, everyone, say hello to Groucho.
Hey, Groucho.
Okay, Groucho, first things first. We have lots of new explorer friends out here, so how about a big hello?
Hello.
Pretty cool. Cool, right? Groucho here is a yellow-naped Amazon parrot, and they're normally found in the forests of Central America, but Groucho here has lived around people his whole life, so he has taken that mimicry to the next level. Let's see if he wants to show off. Next is my favorite bird, possibly my favorite animal.
Fellas, look!
The symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle! Thank you. Everyone, meet Hope. Yeah, and inspiring. You see, not too long ago, bald eagles like Hope here were placed on the endangered species list. But then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a part in helping their populations to recover. And now, I am so happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species!
Hey! Good for them.
Thank you. It was my pleasure. And we're glad all of you got to visit with our feathered friends here today.
Treasure the wilderness and the creatures that are around you. The wilderness must be explored.
That's right, Russell. Look!
Wow!
Now it's time to get you boys home.
See you later, wilderness explorers.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Oh, check it out. Dad, oh.
So you just got finished watching the Up show for the first time. What do you think?
I think it was cool.
Yeah, it was cool.
Yeah.
What'd you like? What's your favorite part?
My favorite part was the smart bird, and he was singing.
Oh, the singing bird.
Yeah.
What about the bald eagle?
I love that one.
Welcome everyone. We are Bollywood Beats. My name is Monica. Namaste.
Ready for the Yeti?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see.
Yeah.
this little hidden bar was here. Restaurant Source Lounge. Super secret little bar across from Dino Land there. Pretty cool.
Whoa! How did you get that?
It's right there.
Wow. First one we should see. But no, wait, the one that we. Whoa! They want to just show you.
Oh, maybe? Crested wood partridge.
Wow, there's so much of them.
Yeah, because then there's the other one.
Look at the one with the red on its head.
Daddy, it's this one.
Oh, let's see. Looks like it. Yeah, I bet that's the one. Take a little trip on the safari.
Daddy.
Oh, the sweet shop. Oh, maybe after.
During the day, they spend their time in the water cooling off or resting. A whole bunch of Nile crocodiles. 18 to 20 feet tall. The babies will enter. They stand at around 6 feet tall. Those babies are walking within the first hour of their lives.
Just got off the safari. So what was your favorite animal?
I think it was the rhinoceros.
Oh, the white rhino or the black rhino?
The black rhino.
Oh, the black rhino? Oh. I think my favorite was... I think it was the giraffes. I like the giraffes. I thought they were cool. They're so tall.
I know.
Hi, Mickey. Do we go on Everest?
Yeah. All right. So we've been to Asia. Very nice.
Where's Asia? It's up on the top. We went on safari.
Awesome. What kind of animals did you see?
I saw
Everything on Instagram, so she had to go fix her makeup and all that good stuff.
So that was a typical trip of ours to the world. We had a great time as always. Always a good time at Disney. So we got to pop in Epcot, rode some rides, got our pass holder loot, which is always awesome. Then we made a quick little hop over to Animal Kingdom. We got to ride Everest. And then of course the safari. The safari is always a recommendation of ours. It's never the same thing twice. It's always a different adventure. So if you can get a fast pass for that, I highly recommend it, because that line can be a little crazy. So definitely get a fast pass if you can. If not, honestly, if you're just going to be there, get on it anyways, because it's always awesome. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, anything you can. We appreciate it. And if you like our little adventures, we do some stuff all around town. We do some stuff all around Florida. And please join us on our Florida life journey. Thanks a lot.